JCB are tackling a project like this because we started to manufacture our own diesel engines at the end of 2004, and that was a big step for the company. It's a new startup business for us, and this is a really great way to demonstrate what its potential is.
And I had absolutely no idea, and I don't think anybody else had, that we would eventually get out of this 80 to 100 horsepower engine that we get 750 horsepower out of it.
It's been a very intense development program from January through to July. The two engines that are in the car today were passed off on the Ricardo test beds just literally about 48 hours before we came out here.
You can see the pictures, you can read about it, but actually being there, the heat and the light is unbelievable, and really the atmosphere, the scenery is awesome, and I think all of the team have found that same experience, and it's really a special place to be.
One of the remarkable things about Bonneville, we've actually got between 11 and 12 miles of perfectly smooth, very hard and reasonably high grip salt. There's the real challenge there of keeping the car in a straight line and keeping it on boost. We're looking for around about 350 miles an hour, and having got a 328 yesterday, which was just a smidge under what we were aiming for, we're looking for around 330. That's the highest flying mile we've had so far. We're now looking to push that up to the highest peak speed and sustain it both ways through the mile. We won't actually be using full power, astonishingly. We'll be using 1300 horsepower today of the 1500 available, and that will hopefully give us a comfortable 350 with me throttling back to control the speed. So it's going to be an interesting run.
I feel absolutely amazing for the team. I mean, this team is a fantastic group of people, and we've worked together for 18 months, and in particularly in the last 6 weeks or so with incredible intensity, and they deserve this.
It's fantastic. In fact, I cried.
Brilliant, wonderful. I mean, they've done an amazing job working in adversity quite frequently.
It's a huge statement of just how good the JCB engines really are. But more importantly, British engineering and diesel power have both achieved something quite amazing today.